Every day, we spend most of the time on work. Have you ever experienced headaches, neck pain, back pain, or stiffness around your muscle knots? Actually, these are the common syndromes if you have bad posture. Bad posture is the main cause of chronic pain on the back, neck, and shoulder. For worse cases, you can get headaches and migraines, or even cause poor circulation, digestion, sleep quality, and concentration. Luckily, with GOPOSE, it could solve all your problems. GOPOSE is designed to help improve your posture. Once put on, GOPOSE will monitor and analyze your posture. If your spine is in a position that may harm your health, GOPOSE will remind you to stay up properly. In a few weeks, you will recover to the proper posture. With the GOPOSE app, you can even keep track of your performance and see how you gradually improve day by day. GOPOSE also includes pulse massage functions to relax and address your body pain. With the app, you could just control the massage modes and adjust the intensity through voice command. The static adhesive pad is also reusable and suitable for you to stick to different body parts, provide massage to your back, waist, thighs, and more. GOPOSE will be your new personal massage therapist to safeguard your health and confidence. Get your GOPOSE now. Fix posture and relieve stress anytime, anywhere.